Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick but essential guide on how to prevent Gmail from accessing your call log on your Android device. If you're looking for more privacy and control over your data, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. This is where a lot of important adjustments can be made to enhance your privacy. Next, scroll down a bit and find the option labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of the applications installed on your device. Locate and tap the Gmail icon to enter its settings. Once you're in the Gmail settings, look for the option that says Permissions. This is where you can see what access Gmail has and what data it can utilize. Now here's the crucial step. Tap on Contacts. This section determines whether Gmail can access your call logs, and we want to put a stop to that. Finally, select the option that says Don't Allow. By doing this, you're ensuring that Gmail won't have access to your call logs anymore, giving you that added layer of privacy. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can prevent Gmail from accessing your call log on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your privacy and data. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.